What do you do when you fully lowered the jack on your trailer and the coupler is not high enough to reach the ball on the tow vehicle? Well, you could call someone with a forklift, but there's several problems with that. Number one, it's really not necessary. Number two, you could damage components of the trailer with the ball on the tip of the forklift. Number three, the trailer could slide while it's being lifted and potentially damage the tow vehicle. So what's a better solution? Better solution is to use a block of wood to put underneath the coupler on the trailer, then raise the jack high enough so you can activate or release the drop leg on the jack if your trailer has a jack with a drop leg. So the block of wood's underneath the coupler, the jack is being raised, allowing for additional space for the drop leg on the jack to be lowered. At this point, the jack can be lowered further, raising the coupler to a height sufficient to attach to the tow vehicle. If your trailer has a jack stand that does not have a drop leg, you're going to need either 2 blocks of wood or 1 block of wood and a jack stand. In this example, we're going to use 2 blocks of wood. The first step is to take one of the blocks of wood and place it underneath the front of the trailer, under the tongue. The second step is to raise the jack. Now it's the block of wood that's holding the trailer up while the jack is raised. And the jack will be raised to a height sufficient to put the second block of wood underneath the foot of the jack stand. Now that the second block of wood is underneath the jack can be lowered, raising the coupler with the additional height provided by the block of wood under the jack, so the coupler can be raised sufficiently to attach to the ball on the tow vehicle.